Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm doing a lip liner review for you guys today. I picked up these two lip liners. Let me just kind of show you the colors right here. When I tell you that these are so extremely creamy, I mean, they are so extremely creamy. You don't even have to put any pressure on your hand. Okay, now these suckers are a few dollars more than the typical lip liners that I buy. This here is my go-to liner by Jordana. I believe it's like $2, $1.50 or something like that. Now you can see there it is this very similar color to this first one. Now, is it creamy? Yes, it is creamy. And yes, I don't have to push down so hard. Now, this here, this NYX is, believe it or not, more creamy. Let me make sure that I get the, it's 100 times more creamy because look, I've like barely touched. Oh shoot, and the tip just broke off. Can you see that? This tip came off. So when I tell you, if you guys, this is total preference. If you guys are looking for an extremely creamy lip liner, then you might want to get these. I found these at Ulta. They were only a few dollars. I reckon they were around, I don't know, $4, $5 each. So let's go ahead and just try this one on the top lip, and then let's try the Jordana on the bottom lip and see, does it really do a big difference on the lips or not? So I'm gonna just kind of pull you guys a little bit closer. Ooh. It's kind of funny that I actually feel like I can feel the liner on my lips. Here is my Jordana. This Jordana is in the color Rock in Rose. Okay, so this is very interesting. Okay, so my top lip looks like the same color, doesn't it? So the formula is so thick and creamy that it feels like I put a lipstick, a thick lipstick to line my lips because I can kind of feel it. Versus the Jordana is a tad bit drier and I don't feel it. So I guess that's total preference. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and just shadow in the lip with the liners, doing the Rock of Roses on the bottom. And doing the NYX Nude on top. Wow, okay. So they look very similar in color, right? But it's almost like the NYX kind of accentuated the lines in my lips. And the Jordana kind of hydrated and gave like a glossy effect to my bottom lip. Can you guys see that? It's very slight difference, but I can feel it. The top one feels like I put a liquid lip on, and the bottom one feels like it's hydrated. Even though it's a similar color, I would honestly say I thought I was going to be impressed with these NYX, but I'm still in love with my Jordana Rock of Roses. I think this is a no-brainer for me. I believe this is $1.50, $2, and this was like $4 or $5. So saving you money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video or this demonstration of one lip liner to another. And please give this video a thumbs up and hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.